What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Daypacks in 2022. There's a lot of choice for Daypacks. Whether you're a hiker, biker, runner, climber, skier, or amateur mycologist, a dependable Daypack is a worthwhile investment. Outdoor rec-specific Daypacks are designed to handle the stress and wear of the elements and packed with features to help your performance. A Daypack will range in size between 8 and 50 liters, all depending on the activity or purpose, which includes hiking as well as commuting. It's better to know the limits of your JanSport, where an Arcteryx or Gregory pack is the best option. What it comes down to is comfort and technical needs to improve or enhance an intense hike, bike or run. In our guide at the bottom, we'll break down the different kinds of packs, common features you may want to prioritize, and how to optimize your choice based on the activity. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Osprey Talon 22. The Osprey Talon 22 is an established favorite among hikers. It's popular for the brand, but also because of its specification and lightweight profile that makes for good trail running and biking too. At 22 liters, remaining both inconspicuous and comfortable are keys to a great day hiker. It also has the most compression straps in this category. But what does this Osprey backpack actually bring to the table to justify the price tag? And how does the Talon 22 separate itself from other Osprey backpacks of similar size? The lid lock for securing a bike helmet suggests biking to a hiking spot, for example. We took Talon 22 for some hikes and used it for some longer bike trekking. Here's what we found out. Specification and features. Materials: 100 depth by 210 depth height airwave ripstop nylon shell, 420 HD nylon pack cloth base, polyethylene internal frame, DWR coating. Capacity: 22 liters. Dimension: 20 inches by 11 inches by 11 inches. Weight: 1.3 pounds. Colors: black, ultramarine blue, Martian red, yerba green. Reasons to buy: robust construction sure to last for long. There's a built-in helmet clip, the lid lock. The AirScape and BioStretch system is breathable, offering a comfy fit and reducing clamminess. Reasons to avoid: hip pockets aren't so usable on the fly. Number 2. Osprey Daylight Plus Daypack. Osprey Daylight Plus is the upsize of the classic 13-liter Daylight Daypack. It's a must-try for anyone who needs to bring more than the basics for the outdoors and in city, while staying lightweight. It's an eco-friendly option helping you make the most out of your time outside, while reducing its carbon footprint. The neat organization of compartments makes it a breeze to use. Paired with Osprey Daylight Plus' excellent construction, it's likely to last long and return value more than its tag. This Daypack might not please everyone. Lighter Daypacks are to found, for example. But this bag can also be used as a commuter. The hydration pocket doubles as a laptop sleeve, for example. After testing, here's a closer look at the Daylight Plus. Specification and features. Material: 300D recycled ripstop polyester face fabric, 600D recycled polyester accent/bottom, PFC-free DWR coating. Capacity: 20 liters. Dimension: 18 inches by 10 inches by 9 inches. Weight: 1 pound. Colors: acorn red/tunnel vision gray, cosmic red, dream purple, medium gray/dark charcoal, oasis dream green/mute space blue, wave blue, teakwood yellow, etc. Reasons to buy: durable construction made with recycled materials. Versatile built-in sleeve for 3 liters reservoir or 15 inches laptop. AirScape back panel provides breathability. There's a built-in whistle for emergencies. Reasons to avoid: it might not be comfy for people with taller, larger frames. Thin padding on shoulder straps. No extra lash points. Number 3. Gregory Ario 30. The Gregory Ario 30 is the ultimate outdoor adventure pack hiking. At 30 liters of capacity at the ideal size for a day on the trails. With a streamlined shape, aerated backplate and amazing features, It's clear to see that this pack was designed with your comfort in mind. It is definitely one of the most comfortable bags we have tested so far when using it on longer trips. It also has great storage features that allow you to pack everything you may need and more for a hiking trip, in the quality that translates to comfort and longevity. Specification and features. Best suited for hiking, camping, and outdoor adventures. Material: 210D honeycomb crypto rip HD nylon with PFC free DWR. Volume: 30 liters. Weight: 1.8 pounds. Dimensions: 8.6 by 22.4 by 10.6 inches. Reasons to buy. The Freshband mesh back panel keeps your back cool during hot summer days. Multiple easy-to-reach pockets keep you organized all trip long. This pack is extremely lightweight, making it easy to carry during hiking trips, and won't add extra weight to your back. Reasons to avoid. It's so comfortable that we wish it had a better sleeve for a small laptop. Number 4. Arcteryx Prize 25. The Arcteryx Prize 25 is a simple, well-designed day pack for hiking. This is definitely a bag made for expert packers since it has a limited amount of pockets for organization. The back panel and straps are reinforced with padded foam to help distribute weight and keep you comfortable. Overall, it's very durable and can be used as a day pack or a hiking backpack for short trips. Specification and features. Best suited for traveling, hiking, day pack, or carry-on pack. Material: N630P fabric nylon. Volume: 25 liters. Weight: 2 pounds. Dimensions: 21.6 by 9.8 by 5.9 inches. Reasons to buy. This backpack is still comfortable when you pack it to its full capacity. Its minimalistic exterior makes it suitable for more formal situations or business trips. The material is very durable and will last you for years to come. Reasons to avoid. Waist belt isn't removable. Streamlined means less organization in main compartment. Number 5. Patagonia Unisex Refugio. The Patagonia Refugio backpack is the perfect companion for the urban commute, a weekend away, or any other adventure you may come across in between. It features a spacious main compartment with separate places for both a tablet and a laptop, a front vertical storage pocket, as well as another front pocket great for storing cables, accessories, and easy to access items. In addition, 2 large elasticated side pockets, breathable mesh on the back for all-day comfort, and a durable water repellent coating to keep rain and moisture away. Specification and features. Dimensions: 19 by 12 by 8 inches. Capacity: 28 liters. Material: 600D nylon. Reasons to buy. Great quality. Comfortable. Water resistant. Even when fully packed it doesn't feel bulky. Reasons to avoid. The front vertical pocket was a great idea, but things often fall off when the pocket is open. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.